Good day, ladies and gentlemen of the media and track and field fans from all around the world. I am here from the Special Track Victims Unit to provide information about a gruesome murder that was committed on track in Eugene, Oregon today. Now, I want to thank first of all PNN for facilitating this quick and speedy press conference for information to be shared about this gruesome act. Now, it has come to our attention at the Jamaican Constabulary Force that one Sha'carri, OC Splifftail, OC Hat Grabber, OC Weedy, was brutally murdered on the track today in Eugene, Oregon. Now, we have found some information which states that Sha'carri was making some threats leading up to this event, and those threats were not taken lightly, hence her brutal execution on the track today. Now, we have live footage of this execution which we want to share with you. For those who did not see it, you can watch it and then we'll give you an assessment of the information that we have gathered so far. So, check out the footage. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, so based on preliminary investigation that we have done, it is believed that these criminals are a part of the Leff Dem gang, and they have committed major crimes across the world, most notably recently in Tokyo, Japan, and now in Eugene, Oregon. Now, it is believed that the leader of this gang is one alien OC jet plane, Thompson era. A part of the gang is also Shelly, OC Remy, Fraser Price. We also have Sherika, OC Dengue Fever, Jackson. And then we have Brianna, OC Bree Williams. They are all wanted in connection with the murder of one Sha'carri. Now we're asking the public to not approach these criminals if you don't see them, because they are armed with speed and extremely dangerous. Now, the last information that we have about them is that they escaped into nearby bushes and are presently still on the run. So we're asking the public, do not approach them. They are also known to change their appearance by wearing several disguises, especially wigs. So we're asking you, if you see them, call the police, maybe come scrape them up, because they have to face the courts for the crime that they have committed. Now, that is the end of the press conference, people. But if you don't want to ask me any personal question, I'm willing to take them. You can go ahead now.